Welcome, today in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want out the widget, and then just hold for a while the screen and click here to the widget section. Here you can see all of the available applications and widgets that we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can go with the clock, just hold for a while and drag it here. Also we can move the widgets between the screens, or also we can create the new screen with the widgets by this way. And if you want, we can change the size of the widget. We can make it smaller or bigger by this way. By the same way, we can add here more widgets, for example the calendar, the regular one, the schedule. Just hold for a while and drag it here, for example. By the same way, we can change here the size of this widget, for example, by this way. And then if you want to just remove the widget, hold for a while and drag these to this up section by this way. And to the remove icon here. And that's it. Now thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.